Are you looking for ways to make your hair look great? Do you want to make small changes to your style without making a mistake that can't be fixed? These ideas will get you started. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a video. We publish videos about fashion and beauty every week, and we hope that you will enjoy them. Like and comment on the videos if you do, so that we can continue to produce high-quality content for you. Thank you for your support.